How to get certified in Canada in welding trade. Welders permanently join pieces of metal by applying heat using filler metal or fusion process. They join parts being manufactured, build structures, and repair damaged and worn parts. They also fabricate parts, tools, machines, and equipment used in construction and manufacturing industries. How to get Red Seal ticket in welding trade. Option 1. Go to full-time school for 8 to 10 weeks each year to finish 4 levels of apprenticeship over a 4-year period. Option 2. If you have enough hours of prior work experience in the trade, you may be able to qualify to challenge the Interprovincial Red Seal exam. For Option 1, you must have an employer or sponsor to approve your apprenticeship at each level if you want to complete each level of apprenticeship. For Option 2, follow the 3 steps mentioned in the next slide. Step 1. Confirm your hours. Step 2. Apply with local apprenticeship board. Step 3. Get an approval and book your exam. Step 4. Prepare for your exam. Step 5. Write and successfully pass the exam. Confirm that you have over 7,020 hours and 54 months of experience in welding trade. This experience could be from working with a Canadian employer or an employer outside of Canada. In BC, candidate does not require to be working currently in the welding trade in order to qualify, but some provinces do. Apply with local apprenticeship board of the province where you're planning to challenge the exam. The application fee in BC is $120 and in Alberta is $450. On an average, the candidate is given 3 attempts to pass the Interprovincial Red Seal exam. Application fee usually includes first 2 attempts, and for the 3rd attempt, the candidate has to pay a nominal fee. The application fee and exam fee might vary from province to province. We recommend the candidate confirms further details with local apprenticeship board of the province. It takes between 8 to 12 weeks for apprenticeship board to confirm candidate's experience from his or her current and or previous employer. Once approved, candidate will be given 1 year to successfully challenge and pass the Inter-Provincial Red Seal exam in the welding trade. Every province is different. Certain cities has an exam scheduled twice per week, and other cities has an exam scheduled once a month. You must check with local apprenticeship board about the exam schedules and book in advance to choose the date that works for your schedule. We recommend you give yourself enough time after approval of your application such that you can successfully prepare and pass this exam in the first attempt. Once approved, candidate can either study on his own to prepare for this exam or get ATTI to help him or her prepare for the Red Seal exam. ACE Trades and Technical Institute is a private training provider that offers 40 hours welding Interprovincial Red Seal refresher course. What are the benefits of choosing us? We have 83% success rate. We have been in business for over 13 years and helped hundreds of Canadians as well as international tradespersons in passing the exam. Benefits of choosing us: our classes are offered 1 week long or over weekends as well as evenings to fit your schedule. Courses are offered in class or via Skype as well as online to support students who cannot travel to attend a class to the city where the class is being taught. International students can attend this training in the comfort of their own home before they travel to Canada to write this exam. Over the years, hundreds of international tradespersons have made Canada home underskilled workers trades program after attending training at ATTI and successfully passing the Red Seal exam. For more information, you can contact us via text or email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube.